Hello, Jordan.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
What is today?
Day 4.
Day 4. Day 4 of what? The 12 days of Christmas KAL giveaway. So, without further ado, let's name who is number 4. That is going to be number 23, AASV Mom. Congratulations. Please get in contact with me via Ravelry or any of my other social media contacts, and we will get those prizes out to you. So let me tell you what you have won, shall I? You have won not one, but 2 beautiful skeins. Look at that color.
Cool.
Look at that color. This yarn is from Vitalana, and it is 100% fine Peruvian wool. It's a sport weight, 328 yards for just 1 skein. So you have 2, and I will throw in also the Knit Crate catalog that comes with it, so you can see the inspiration and the patterns that go with that as well. You will also receive this handy dandy safety pin, progress keeper, or whatever you want to use it for, charm, which I will include that in your gift as well. And then last but not least, of course, our handy dandy canvas bags that everyone is getting in their bag.
Its name is Jeff.
Why Jeff?
Basically.
Okay, great. Okay, that ends our day 4 giveaway. Please come back tomorrow for day 5's winner. Okay, bye-bye.